grateful to be a part of this, a fellowship I wouldn't miss. Across the world it spread so wide, with helping hands and hearts as guides. I'm just one voice, but here I stand, ready to lend a helping hand. With purpose clear, my life's begun, to serve, to give till the work is done. Am I grateful to be an aid, to walk this path, to show the way? With every step I find my peace, in giving more my joy's released. I'm here to love, to guide, to share a purpose found beyond despair. These meditations teach me how to live in peace, the here and now, to serve in ways both great and small, and find contentment through it all. No strain or rush, no fear remains. I trust in God to ease my pains. For every deed I leave to Him, the future bright, though paths look dim. Relax, release, let burdens go. Faith carries